سكر ليمون الكحول. What do you think these words mean? Do they sound similar to words of your language? Let's find out. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Arabic with Tuqa. Today I'm going to teach you 30 words that sound similar in Arabic and English. Some of them sound very similar and some of them have changed a lot that you can't tell whether they are cognates or not without looking them up in a dictionary. Let's see. ليمون 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 بطاطا 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 رز 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 سبانخ 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 سمسم 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 سكر 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 كمون 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 سلطة 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 كعك 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 شوكولاتة 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 قهوة 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 كبسولة 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 كحول كحول كحول. If you want to say the alcohol in Arabic, you say الكحول الكحول. Kuhul is an Arabic word originally, but when other languages borrowed it, they took it with its definite article, and this happened with many words of Arabic origin, like the word algebra, alchemy, algorithm. All of these words are borrowed from Arabic along with their definite article. Anyway, let's move to the next word. قطن 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 غاز 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 إسفنج 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 كهف 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 كبل 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 كوب 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 جرة 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 طاولة 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 تلفاز 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 مغناطيس 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 موسيقى 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 فلسفة 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 جغرافيا 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 قبطان 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 قط 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 جمل 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 زرافة زرافة زرافة. That's it for today. Do you know any other cognates? And does your first language share words with Arabic language? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you soon. مع السلامة.